Good morning, Sophia. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Mm-mm. You are 6 days old now. I love you. I love you, Sophia. I love you. Good morning. It's already 8:30. 33 a.m. in the morning. Are you still sleepy? Okay. Oh, you can sleep na. Okay. Uh-huh. I love you, Sophia. Again, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ay, okay. I'm gonna carry you now. Bye-bye.